Hey guys, so in one of my prior videos, I was the first to notice, or at least I have never read anywhere else, that if the circumference of a circle is 432, like if this length right here is 432, the diameter would be 137.5. Now, 137, of course, is an extremely biblical number, but it's also a scientific number, 137.5 specifically. It's the exact degrees in which phyllotaxis occurs when leaves grow. So this angle right here, there to there, is 137, and it creates the golden ratio, the Fibonacci sequence. Now, if you square 432, let's break out the calculator. 432 squared, you get 186,624, which is almost the speed of light in miles per second. Okay, guys? So 432 has to do with light, and 137 has to do with light as well, pretty much. But let's look at this real quick. Well, let me go back to this. The actual Freemason compass is a right angle right here and 47 degrees right here. So what that adds up to 137. Okay, so they're actually saying to square the circle. Okay, so with the compass represents a circle, and of course this 90-degree square. So what happens when we squared 432? We get the speed of light. So it's literally saying, you know, the 137 is hidden when you get the square root of the speed of light. So the square root of speed of light as a circumference is 137's as a diameter. So I mean, it just goes back and forth and back and forth. But 432 as well, if you put on sand, 432 hertz in sound also generates images that we have totally corrupted these days. These days it's 440 hertz and 441, but it used to be 432. They changed it on purpose to get us out of sync with reality. So the songs don't literally touch us as emotionally. So when you have a 432, you get all these geometric shapes. But right when you go into different frequencies with 440 and such, it gets all blurry and, just a mess. It's not showing the harmony of reality, okay? So number 137 in Hebrew is the God of truth, Elohi Amen, in the Bible. And you also got I am the truth in Greek, the God of gods in Hebrew, miracle of the Lord for an only begotten Son in the Old Testament, crucifix in Hebrew, Kabbalah, the surrounding brightness, the light. This will tie into what we're looking at next. The seventh, like an angel of the Lord, go out and go forth. So the 37th word in the Bible starts with the 137th letter. So which word is that? Light. Okay? So the 137th letter of the whole Bible starts the 37th word, which is a star number, and it is light. And 37 times its inverse, 73, is Bereshit. Genesis 1:1, 27:01. It's all just, everything codes everything else, okay? And thanks be to God for this unspeakable gift. What's 2 plus 9 times 15? It's 137. That one's not as convincing, but I discovered this part. And so when you look at the Freemason compass, it's saying square the circle, and then when you square the circle with the circumference of 432 and the diameter is 137, you get the speed of light, 186,660. Okay, so I just thought that was kind of interesting. It's really, this is a more simple video, but it's just basically one idea, which is what I just showed you. Y'all have a good one.